Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download PlayStation application on your PC. To download PlayStation application, you need to first download Wave Catalog application. Open your preferred web browser and head over to wavecatalog.io. Now, you'll be directed to official homepage of Wave Catalog. After that, click on Download Wave Catalog Desktop button, which is at middle of your screen. Now, if you are a Windows user, click on Download for Windows. Otherwise, if you are a Mac user, click on this link, or if you are a Linux user, click on this link. After the download is completed, you need to install the application. Open the setup file which you have just downloaded. Simply click on this setup file. After the download is completed, you will find your application here, or you can also search for it in the search bar. After that, open the application. Now, at the search bar, you need to type in PlayStation and click on Enter. Here, you will find your application. Now, click on Install button. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed. So that is how you can download PlayStation application on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.